Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create center lines using Object Snaps, offset command in AutoCAD. Drawing a center line can be the first step in drawing a floor plan. The drawing order depends on the phase of design and who is drawing the plans. However, setting center lines can be easier to draw a floor plan rather than starting from scratch. Step 1. Select the right layer to draw column grids. Click S-Grid from the Home ribbon on the Layers tab. Step 2. Make sure the Author mode and the OSNAP are on. Use Function 8 and Function 3 keys to turn on and off the commands. Note: OSNAP setting. In order to select a specific point of an element, it is recommended to use the Object Snap OSNAP command. To set up the Object Snaps, mouse right-click on the OSNAP icon on the status bar. And check the point that you would like to select while the Object Snap is on. It is recommended to check endpoint, midpoint, center, node, intersection, extension, and perpendicular. This list is for 2D drafting, based on the instructor's experience. Step 3. Select Line from Home ribbon on Draw tab. Or type L and press Enter on the keyboard to draw lines. Click the base point 0, 0 and mouse move to Plan North. And type 25 and press Enter on the keyboard. Step 4. Move the grid line to the center of the building base footprint. Click Move icon from Home ribbon on Draw tab or type M, and press Enter key. Click the midpoint of the selected line. And then click the midpoint of the building footprint. Step 5. To create vertical grid lines, it is recommended to use the Offset command. Click Offset icon from Home ribbon on Draw tab. Or, type O and press the Enter key. Type a specific number that you want to offset. For this project, enter 7 foot 4 3/4 inches. And then press Enter key. And then click a point in the direction that you want to create the copied line. If you use the same distance, you do not need to enter the number to offset another point. If you use a different distance, you must enter a specific number to offset another point. Step 6. Repeat Step 03 to Step 05 for horizontal and horizontal grid lines. Step 7. Copy the first level grid lines, both vertical and horizontal grid lines, to the second level. To copy the lines, please use an even number. For example, enter 28 feet and 11 inches based on the base drawing. This is the final image of the course Objective 2. All of the column grids are drawn. I hope this tutorial shows what a center line is and how to draw with practicing Line command, Offset command, and Copy command in AutoCAD. Thank you.